Hey guys, it's Expert Coding with another video. So today we're going to make a flower game. You all go ahead and get in the Create, Scratch, Ed. Okay, so we're going to go to Extensions and get the pen. Okay, right there, pen. Okay, then go to One Flag Clicked. Then we're going to go here and press Erase All. Get Erase All. Then we're going to get a forever and an if then. Then we're going to go to sensing, mouse down, and go to mouse pointer. Okay, now we have to make a block in My Blocks. Name it Draw Flower. Add an input. Name this input number of petals. Okay. So we're gonna add another input, and let's call it. Let me think. Let's call it center color. Okay. Let me think. Add another one, and let's name it petal color. Okay. And go ahead and press OK. Now I'm going to define this. But first, we are having to make another. Okay, never mind. We'll just keep it like this. Okay. So, what we're going to do here, let's go to Looks, get a Set Color Effect. It should be here, right here. Okay. Set color effect to petal color. Okay. And now we're gonna do repeat. Repeat number of petals. Okay. Now move 25 steps. It's going to be right here. And then go to pen and get stamp. Put that in there. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do motion. Press this, but do move negative 25. Okay. And now we are going to add turn 150 degrees, or 15 degrees, and go to operators, get this dividing symbol. Okay, put this in here, and we're gonna do some scratch division, I guess. Okay, put this to 360. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, now get number of petals and put it here. Perfect. A little more to go though. Okay, then get a set color effect. Set color effect. Put it under here. And also get a center color and put this here. And then we're gonna stamp. Stamp. Okay, we've defined this. Let's put it to our side. We need a different block, okay? This block's name is going to be draw stalk, okay? my blocks, draw, stalk. Got it? Okay, we are going to add an input. 2 inputs, actually. Okay. The first input, we're going to put, length. In this, oh, sorry, I spelled it wrong, I forgot the G. Length. In the second variable, in the second spot, put in thickness. Got it? Okay, we have to define this block. Ready? We can do this. Get the set pen size. Wait. Set pen size. Set pen size to thickness. Set pen size to thickness. Set pen color to green. You know what? A stalk isn't that dark of green, right? Let's make this bright green. There we go. Okay. Then pen down. Then change length. Change Y by length. Let's see. Change Y by... Okay. Yeah, change Y by the motion. Scroll down, it'll say change Y by. Get length. Put this in here. And then pen up. Okay. We got that. Except I forgot something. Don't delete the scratch cat. I repeat, do not delete the scratch cat. Go to costumes. Add a costume. Call it. We're gonna get a ball. Or any of these balls. What color do you guys want? I'm gonna do pink. Okay. Okay. So, I think, let me see. Okay, wait. I just forgot. Okay. We're going to have to... Okay. Good thing I made a mistake, okay? Because I can teach you how to save it and apply it somewhere else. So there's this thing called the backpack. It keeps data stored. So drag your scripts into the back. 1 second. Into the backpack. Do that. Delete this guy. Choose a sprite. Ball. I want to be the pink ball. That suits flowers, right? So, grab the 3. Run the thing. Let's see. Okay. So we're almost done. So, and now we're gonna do, okay, we have our 3 scripts, right? I forgot to tell you. So, over here, we're going to go to my blocks, okay? And then we're gonna get a draw stalk 105. Okay, put this under, go to mouse pointer, and then get a draw flower. 1 second, let me clean this up. Draw flower, then get a pick random 5 to 10. Put it in the first row. Then get another pick random -100, +100. Put that over here. Then we're gonna do another one. Pick random. 1 second. Another one. Pick random. Okay, just duplicate this pick random. Put it here. We don't have to change the numbers. Let's check it out. Boom. Now we have to learn how to erase this, okay? So go here, 1 space pressed, and then we're going, so when the space key's pressed, we're going to go to pen, we're going to get the erase all, put it here, let's check. Okay, let's add a backdrop for our little flowers. Blue sky. Let's check it out. Wow. Okay, let's line it up real quick. I didn't line it up very good, but who cares? Boom. Goodbye. Okay, so, goodbye, flower. Okay, so, how was this project? Do you believe it was fun? I do. It was pretty fun to make, pretty easy, pretty good. Okay, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. I very much appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.